So about a week ago, we were talking about a potential new all-time high in terms of Floki. We didn't quite get it. We started to go through a little bit of a pullback, and really sometimes you just need to have a confirmation of strength before you make that next move. And that's exactly what we did in terms of Floki. And on some great news from yesterday, we exploded and set a new all-time high overnight. Now, for those that missed this news, this was about a huge investment from DWF Labs. So this is to the tune of $12 million. So for those who aren't familiar with DWF Labs, they're actually a Web3 investment firm and a market maker. They actually have been partnering with Floki for quite some time. They've helped facilitate other partnerships. They've helped facilitate exchange listings. And even earlier this year, back in February, they invested $10 million in Floki. Now, what they're going to be doing here, if they haven't already, is actually purchasing $12 million in Floki tokens, and these are going to be partially acquired from the market and from the Floki treasury. So this is kind of one of those further confirmation of the direction of the project. We know there's been a lot of great things launched, a lot of new announcements that have been taking place, and this only helps make that push for Floki even easier, right? Further exchange listings, more partnership, more in the face of people around the world. We're still at this point where Floki only has about 400,000 or so holders, which leaves a lot of growth potential out there. Now, what I have to say is this: is Floki is kind of doing this on its own. When we look across the market, at least at meme coins, you guys can see that Floki surged about 23.8% over the last 24 hours, and nothing else is even close. Now, where this is exciting and where this may even continue further is if BTC does in fact get this breakout confirmation. We're at our trend here. I talked about this in my Shiba Inu video earlier today if you guys want to check that out. But you guys can see that BTC keeps banging its head on this ceiling, and eventually it is going to break through. It's a matter of when. Is this the time where BTC has this breakout and this emergence where you see the rest of the market go on a run? Wouldn't surprise me then if Floki decided to continue this. Now, what I have to say is that people have had opportunities to buy before these pumps take place. All right. For example, there was a great DCA plus flash on with my indicator. Links in the description below if you guys want to check it out. There's a 30-day money back guarantee. If you did buy during that time, you actually got to witness a 40% move in terms of Floki. All right. People on my Patreon, I did talk about that. If you guys want to check out my Patreon, the link's in the description below as well. We have a Discord. You guys get insight into what I'm doing, what I'm paying attention to, and Floki and several other coins that went on nice surges are ones that I talked about in there. People are missing out on big opportunities in the space. Things like these make it so easy. And what I have to say is that right now, Floki is actually on the verge of taking some big steps here. It's only about 300 billion in terms of market cap away from flipping With, and it's only about a 2x away from flipping Pepe. If Floki continues to be in the news as much as it is, if it continues to remove supply in the way that it does, if it continues to create more of these partnerships and get more exchange listings, it would not surprise me if Floki does in fact make a push towards the top 3 meme coins in all of crypto. Now, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee. And this is going to be a long market cycle, guys. That's the biggest thing people need to remember. It doesn't all need to happen at once, but we're setting some good early direction. Floki has been an exceptional early market performer. And it looks like right now we are prepped to even be a great late market performer as well. So I appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.